to market, to buy a fat pig. Home again, jiggity jig. The pig gave a squeal and danced all day in the wagon on the hay. To market, to buy a new hat. Home again, fancy like that. A polka dot ribbon, a feather so bright. Jack wore proud, oh what a sight. Clip clop, wheels go round and round. Baskets full with goodies found. Laughing, skipping down the lane. Off to market once again. To market, for carrots and peas. Bananas, berries, and honey from bees. Tucked in a basket, fresh and sweet. A yummy surprise for all to eat. To market, hip hooray. We had such a jolly day. Home again, jiggity job. With stories to tell and a happy